Good evening, welcome back. I didn't expect it to rain all day the day after I worked on this, so now I'm stuck working on this in the dark. Um, we have plans this coming weekend, the entire weekend, so I don't want the camper to be unplugged for 2 weeks, so I'm gonna work in the dark here, try to get this electric back up and running with the new pipes. So here we go. So we're gonna remove the cover yet again and pull that wire back because it wasn't quite long enough. And then we're going to run a new wire and mount the junction box up here. And I think that might be the goal for today. So I guess we'll do some time lapse. I got the orange wire through the conduit. Dry fitted the box on there. The ears that screw the box on are too wide, so I gotta screw some wood on, make it wider so I can screw the box on, which is also gonna offset it from the pole. So the pipe's gonna, I don't know how to figure out the pipe. Might have to build that out or something. We'll see how it goes. Back to time lapse. Fun tidbit: dirty fingers don't work on fingerprint sensors. So forgot my level. Got it now. It doesn't need to be level, but might as well do it right. So back to time lapse. Time lapse. Mounting that was a little bit of a pain in the butt, but it's on there now. So we're gonna put this in here just to seal that, just because I have it around. And then we're going to try to get an electric outlet on here tonight. Hopefully it won't be too late. I guess back to time lapse. It's 10 gauge wires, a little difficult to work with. But with these distances, I think that's what you need. So, circuit breaker's back on, nothing blew up. Plug in something not real important, like the light. Make sure it works. And then we'll plug the camper back in. And then we'll wait for another day where it's daylight. the new light in and do whatever else needs to be done. Yay, the light works. Not a real electrician, but I could do DIY stuff. I love it when the phone is on picture mode, not recording video mode, and you're talking to nobody. All right, so I put the wire nuts, bent them so they're facing up. Even though it's a waterproof box, shouldn't matter, but it doesn't hurt to be extra safe. Just gonna put the cover back on the junction box there, plug the camper in, clean up all the stuff, call it a night. So until we meet again, there's more daylight. Hey, the camper has electric again. Woo. So, kind of looks like it used to, but a little bit different. But we'll keep working, keep making progress until we meet again.